out. I'm doing this first for the love, then for the greens, then for my peeps, cause Mode is an underground fiend. Comfortable in baseball caps, t-shirts and baggy jeans. Now watch me take your spot like Pimple Queen. Block my light beam and leave it black eyes like white beans. Stop that tough shit like Flagell and tetracycline. You're boring like Big Brother without the shower scenes. I drop lyrics like Vicene. Nah, I give a hoot and you can get the tin boot. Now skydive off a high rise without the parachute. For talking ghetto fad when you got no loot. You, that son of a gun, I bet you can't shoot. We'll lick 2 shots from a 9, only from the vocal booth. I spit the truth and this is living proof. I make the rest whack, I be the best at. Many confess that, I bring the stress back. Aiming for your crest, your vest best be where your chest at. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine.
Well, I was born to spitting on this mic with simplicity. My ability around with agility. Dysphoria, I make this fat like obesity, attacking all the areas in your vicinity. You feeling me? Rock zones, bones I crack, and whichever, however, I'm taking over. My adversity remains skin tight like your girlfriend's virginity. Rhyme criminal, physical, in proximity. The format I represent, you better be proving you to be that real MC if yours is better. Cause I take it move and deliver back to who? Stella. Yo, if JC heard this, he'd leave Rockefeller. I flow with speed to confuse Keanu Reeves, and like Mariah, I can carry you to overseas, the world to be. I'm spreading like a bad disease. 2 shots, the doctor with the lyrical expertise. Word.
2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine.
I break it down and give it to you all. In case you wanna better get prepared for the war. I manipulate my metaphysical source and power. My metaphor can hold your breath at least half an hour and continuously duplicate my rhymes on your lips to get you elementary rappers in the mix. And for real, I'm hanging around the foreman and tribe, and every day the earth spins, we're trying to stay alive.
Anyone rush, get the bomb rush, heads ever. With lyrics tough enough to wreck ships, tougher than leather, tougher than spice. Never breaking under pressure, screaming never. I'ma pluck your chicken feathers, stick you like some shish kebab. That's the fist of all. Black angry man with a list of all. Lot of rappers who I just have to walk on like Christopher without the pistol. Spinning, rapping rounds of fire. From rapping rubbish, I'm rapping your mouth with barbed wire. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine. 2 shots from a 9, 2 shots from a 9. From a 9, Cypher Divine, Cypher Divine.